What's up viewers, welcome to my channel Victor Vlogs, and today's vlog is very special for me because it's my birthday today, and it gets even more special when it's lockdown, so you have to use your absolute creativity to make your own day special. But obviously you cannot expect your friends to come to wish you a happy birthday, and also there won't be any cake, so I'm making cake today all by my own. Anyways, so till now what I had done, did some of my morning stuff. I have to go to a hospital just to get some medicines, couple of medicines, and once I'm done with that I will be back home, getting shower, changing my clothes and everything, and then let's see what else I do for the day. Alright guys, so finally I am at the most interesting part of the day, and that is of making cake for my birthday. So I had got this Wikifield cooker cake mix because my oven isn't working now, and I got some icing sugar and Amul unsalted butter and a couple of few more ingredients to make cake as I saw it online. So let's see how I do it. Okay guys, so I had made my cake, and I know you guys are excited to see it. To be frank, I had done really best work, what I believe. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but yes, I think the hard work is paid off.